Start with the side panels. Press one corner of the panel out of the structure, then loosen the other corners. Remove the fixation screw on the long panels with either a cordless screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver size PH2. When removing the panels, work in a circle around the panel starting at one corner. The panels are best stacked inside each other and protected with foil. When removing panels, avoid hitting the middle of the panel. Work from the corners. Don't forget to loosen the fixation screw when removing long panels. Basically, the panels which have visible holes around the edges are inner panels, and those without holes are outer panels. For the assembly, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, size PH2, USM self-cutting screws, a microfiber cloth and glass cleaner. Look out for the chrome-plated USM Haller sticker. At the end of the assembly, it should be positioned at the front top right corner of the furniture. Start with the horizontal panels moving from top to bottom. Work from one corner and in a circle around the panel. For the 750mm panel, use a self-cutting USM screw. Insert the rear panel and then the side panels. Always work from top to bottom during assembly. Otherwise, panels can fall through the structure and damage the underlying panels. Do not hit or press the panel in the middle, but start at one corner and work in a circle.